So we're making our approach here into Malaga, 10,000 feet, landing lights on. And we got the ILS frequencies dialed in, 109.90, and they're set to active already. With a course of 312, so we got 312 in both sides. We don't have a DME yet, obviously, it's too far away. ATC still wants us to climb here, obviously, but we're following our path here. So we got the minimums dialed in at 810. There's like 3 rows here, and whereas MACG stated 4%, 3%, and then a 2.5% has to go with the go around maximum climb angle you can make. So this is obviously plane type specific. I'm not sure, so I just go with the 2.5%. I think the 737-800 can easily make 3%, but I got 810 dialed in here just to be on the safe side. It's gonna be an interesting approach because we have live ship traffic running as well, and at the moment we have 318 ships. So I expect when we get closer by we should see some ship traffic there for sure as well. Sometimes they're showing up on the map as well, so yep, ship traffic is already around us here, so but they're still difficult to spot from a 9,000 feet, so we'll see later on. Pretty sure we're gonna see a couple ones. So start our turn here, and we're lined up to MG 630. Then we'll take over and start hand flying this approach. Alright, there we go. We don't have the approach flap and speed setting dialed in yet. I expect that we still need some thrust along the way, so trimming up a little bit here. Still no DME yet here on the PFC. There we go, Malaga approach now. I'm looking because I find it strange that we don't have a DME yet. Are we this far away still? Just checking my frequencies here. But localizer, yeah, 109.90, so yeah, that's all set up correctly. What? Altimeter 2980, so that one we gotta adjust a little bit here. 80, there we go. One on 990, yeah. 109.90, 312. Yep, there we got a DME. Still far away. Okay, that's all good then. Alright, we're still using a bit of thrust here, but we'll set up our approach already. I don't think that will change much. So 40, and it gives us a 143. Alright. So thrust setting, we're gonna take. Oh, you see the blue dial here basically on the thrusts. So it's pulling up now by itself. I'm not doing anything here. So I'm gonna align these ones more or less, and switch off auto throttle. And we got 2000, which is our final approach altitude for Lulbo, already dialed in there, 2000. Alright, 210 it is. And we're gonna acknowledge our approach. And our final is 143, so I like to dial in 143 here already for my reference. 143, there we go. And we are using lossless scaling as well, so our actual frame rate is 32, or actually, yeah, kind of our actual 30, and it's scaled up to 50 now. It's double, basically. I got 1,800 feet above us, somewhere. 900. That's us. I don't see that. Ah, here they are. And we got a localizer as well, so we're switching to approach mode here right away. And we got them inside, so report traffic inside. Got some ships started showing up here as well now. We are at 320 ships now, so it's quite busy. Coming in a little bit fast, I want to overtake this guy here on the left. I have a feeling he's going in as well. Yeah, that's the final approach altitude for Lulbo.
Descend and maintain 2,000 feet. Keep speed not above 190 knots. Europa 2605.
190, coming down here again on our speed 10 in this case. Giving flaps 2 setting already. That's creating a little bit of drag, not that much yet, but trimming quite a bit here. But we're not pushed away to the left or the right that much, as you can see by our flight path vector here.
Descend and maintain 1,700 feet. Europa 2605.
Now we're already on localizers, so we're just going to continue down here. Just bringing up our VSD here, vertical situation display, to see this glide slope where we should capture it, if we're not, just to make sure that we're not overshooting it and that we're actually capturing it. So flaps 10, then after that we can bring down our gear. Outer brake setting 2, should be okay. Can dial it up if necessary. And we are on a 31. It's just one runway. Alright, bringing the gear down here, glide slope captured, there we go. Now just focusing on the VSD and the magenta diamonds.
2,500.
Okay, gears down, 3 green, flaps are still at 10, so we're gonna start dropping some more flaps now. Pitching up, losing some more airspeed. Alright. Dumping more flaps. Shift 1 to acknowledge the ATCs. Dialing down a little bit on the ND to get a better idea of our
Malaga Tower, Europa 2605, 7 miles southeast inbound. ILS Yankee runway 31 approach.
Alright, there's our 143 coming. 80, so we're going to dial up that 1 notch. There we go. We're quite okay on the
Cleared ILS Yankee runway 31 approach. Europa 2605.
so final check, flaps 40 set, 3 green on the landing gear. Oh, a little bit of winds here. Maybe I should have gone with flaps 30 just to get a little bit more airspeed.
Runway tree 1, Europa 2605.
The wind is really strange here, I guess because of the mountain there on the left side. Keeping it above 143 here for now, just to get a little bit more stable. I didn't dial in the go around altitude, I don't know what it is actually. It's 5,000, okay.
1,000.
There's minimums coming up. Up, again a little bit of wind shear.
Approaching minimum.
Still okay, yeah, we're gonna continue. Ah, this wind is crazy. I hope it will be more stable when we get down there.
Minimums.
Yeah, continuing. Still okay. We're not perfectly, not ideal where we are at now, but now I'm gonna bring down the speed again a little bit to get our flare angle okay later on. That's Norwegian Airlines or not that one? Alright, oh shit. That's a lot. Okay, now focusing outside. Too white, too red.
100. 50. 30. 20.
Idle.
10.
Oh. And now I need to switch from my keyboards. Yeah. I have to let go from my flight yoke, switch to keyboard. Alright, there we go. Reverse screen. Bumpy landing. Gonna bump that one up to maximum to take this end to exit. Alright. Speed brakes away. FN F5. F5 to bring back all the flaps. And then taxi light on, APU on. Engine selector switches both to off.
Europa 2605. Goodbye.
Alright, now let's see where we need to go. Ground on. Request taxi to the gates. That's 3.
Europa 2605 taxi to the gate.
I guess we'll go with this way for now. Delta Charlie. And gate 42.
Taxiing to gate 42 via taxiway Delta Charlie.
Now 42 is all the way back. So just checking here, I'll add the chart here in as well. So taxi thrust around 30. And then 42, but they said taxiway. What did they say exactly here? Delta Charlie. We're on Alpha, there's no Delta nearby here. We'll go from Alpha to Bravo and then 42. Yeah, 42. It's like the last one on the Terminal 3. So it's back there. Right, how are we looking? Landing lights can come off. APU should be alive. It is alive, so we're switching to APU power here already. Flaps are all the way back, so that's good. Here we got 305 ships nearby where I didn't see much about because I was focusing on a approach here. 42, so we take the next exit here to the left, so speed should be around 15 for turns, then the Swiss there will be actually the Swiss one will be okay as well there. Oh wait, this Navigraph is not 42, 42, 42. We need to go all the way this way. Ah, wait, now I see. 42 is this way. There we go, we got our guys as well, so that's good. Alright, turning in here again. There we go, aligning. That's it, parking brake on. Both engine selector switches to idle. We keep the anti-collision light on for now until the engines are spooled down. Then we can set up the wheel chocks and request the ground power. There we go. We're on dual bleed now, so left and right packs can come off. Ground power available. APU bleed off. APU off. And our N2 is coming down. So we got another, what is it? 737. Ah, it's also an 800. No, is it? Yeah, it is. Yeah. Ah, and it's gone. Right, so that's it. Yeah, imagine if you're not using lossless scaling here. 12 FPS, unbelievable, with all the traffic here. If I switch off the live ship traffic, we are at 33, so 23, 24. Still not ideal, it's still the fly-by-wire traffic. Right, that's it. Malaga approach. All done. See you in the next one.